Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can see from the title, I'll be doing a slime collection. So I only have a couple of slimes right now because I haven't really made that many slimes and I've been selling a lot. So, I'm not going to talk for too long, so let's just get right on to the video. So, the first slime I have, actually not this one. I'm going to start off with the small slimes. So this one is a pretty small one. It's really thick for some reason. I don't even know why, which I really like, but and it holds its shape. Oh yeah, it's also a butter slime, so that's probably why it holds shape. And it's been sitting in the cold, so I got a little bit firm. So yeah. And you guys might not get too much ASMR because I don't really have a tripod right now. So yeah, that's that slime. Next one is the second smallest. It looks brown, like very brown on camera. It won't focus. Oh, there you go. It doesn't. It's like a purplish brown, like in real life, but it's more purple. And it's pretty nice, I guess. It's not too bad, but this is one of my slime smoothies. So yeah, that's why it's probably the color. But next slime. I have this slime. Oh gosh. It was a homemade foam, like I had in my last video. I mean, I left it all out overnight because I didn't have a container. Well, yeah, I do, but it's just that I forgot to put it in a container. That's that one. I said that's that one. Whatever. Okay, so then I have this one. This is not really a slime because I left it out for like 5 days on top of a container. So I don't really know. Comment down below if you guys consider this a slime. I don't really think that it is. But let's just throw that one out. Okay, next. So the next one is a Jelly Keep slime that I'm selling tomorrow. And it's a homemade one. It's not actually the magical sponges. It is like a foam thing that I got, but you have to be super delicate when you squish it because the beads, the squares will like come out. Well, no, not come out, but they will like break and then turn into like the balls, like a foam. So yeah, that's that one. I'm gonna save my favorite one for last that I just made today. Well, got today. So then I have this medium one. This is a butter slime with foam beads, with some colorful foam beads. It's a really nice slime. So the next one is a metallic-y blue one, like teal one. Focus. Can't really focus right now for some reason. I don't know why it's not focusing, but it is a clear base slime. This is my I only have 2 clear base slimes, so yeah. And it's more of like a jelly slime, but it's pretty nice. To be honest. So I only have 2 more slimes left to show you guys, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure 2 more slimes. And then I have a foam with it's a butter slime with rainbow foam again, and it has rainbow foam, as you guys can see. It's very pretty though. Just gonna take it out. Oh gosh, this is another really thick slime. But I did add a little bit of water so that it can be more stretchy because it was really, really hard before. But it's actually not too bad of a slime. And comment down below what slime you think the next one's gonna be, even though I already gave you guys a hint a couple minutes ago in the video. So yeah, this is the slime. But last slime, 5, 4. Well, you guys probably saw it when I was bringing it over here. So, but 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it is a clear slime. It's not totally clear yet, and it has some. Oh gosh, it has some stuff on the bottom. That's not clear. That doesn't look like. I can't see it. So guys, sorry for those background noises, that's just my siblings. But this is my clear slime, and as you guys can see myself. And I will be doing an update, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, and my schedule will probably be posting every single day, which I'll try. And so this is my slime collection. I hope you guys enjoyed. So I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 slimes. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos and updates. And where the heck did the top go? It's out there in the living room. So let me just try to do a thumbnail, another thumbnail. Okay, sorry for that. I had to stop for a thumbnail. Okay, so that was my slime collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, stay positive. I love you guys. Bye.